Hello there, I'm from technorats.com and this is the video for unboxing of Raspberry Pi 2, the second generation of the very famous Raspberry Pi. So anything which is left unexplained in this video will be explained in my next video, which will be a detailed video about the Raspberry Pi 2. So stay tuned for my next video also. In this video we'll just cover about the straightforward unboxing of the Raspberry Pi 2. So here on the box we can see that this device is 6 times faster than the previous generation of Raspberry Pi. This has a quad-core processor with 1 GB of RAM, 40 pin extended GPIO ports, SD card slot, 4 USB ports, HDMI port, etc. etc. I'll show that in the video as we proceed. So let's take everything out of the box. We just have two things in the box. One is user manual and another is the actual unit. So user manual, if you are a pro you might not need this user manual, but for beginners this stuff is important. Next thing, we'll take the Raspberry Pi out of the bag. So this is a very amazing looking device. As you hold it in your hand you will feel that how amazing it looks. As you can see here we have the 4 USB ports, the Ethernet connector. On the side we have the audio video composite jack, the HDMI port, the micro USB power source, the display connector, the 40 GPIO ports, the camera connector, the processor and the graphical processor. On the back we have the back of the processor, surprise, and this is the SD card slot. So I will be explaining everything and I will also do a detailed video about the Raspberry Pi 2. So stay tuned for my next video, and here are some close-ups of the Raspberry Pi 2. Enjoy and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.